Hello guys, today, in this series, we're gonna be working on strings, and if you haven't watched the previous video of this tutorial series, go and watch that video first before diving in here. To print string, declare a string variable, and name the variable however you want. After that, assign a string value. In my case, I'm going to use my name as a value of the string variable. Now let's print the string variable, through console.writeLine. Also, don't forget to console.readLine after making your codes, which I already explained in the earlier video. To run the program in the console, click the Start button which you can see above. This is now the output of the program. As you can see, my name is printed in the console. Now it's your turn. Now let's work with appending or concatenating strings. Here's how to do it. First, declare a string variable to store a string value on it. To append or concatenate a string variable, you can use this first method. In this method we're going to use $sign for concatenation. After a $sign, follow it with a double quote and a string inside on it. And then place the variable in the part which you want to append or concatenate it. To do that, wrap the variable with two curly braces. And that's pretty much how to do it. And then console.readLine is a must, to make the console stable, for us to see the output. To run the program, press the Start button which you can see above. And this is now the output. As you can see, it printed the string hello plus the string Brian, which we stored in the variable called name. Earlier, I teach you on how to concatenate or append strings in a complicated way, but this time let's do it with the traditional way on appending and concatenating strings. And here's how to do it. Instead of placing $sign, we're gonna use double quote instead, and place a string inside the double quote. After that, add a plus symbol on it and followed with the variable. And this is pretty much how to do it. This is much easier and much faster, but I advise to practice the first one for no reason. I just think it's much cool to explore and try different ways. As you can see, it outputs the same way, as we did in the first method. Now it's up to you to choose which method you are going to use. I think that's pretty much for this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and ring the notification bell, since I'm going to upload a continuation of this working on string video tutorial, and also there are a bunch of tutorials regarding C# in the future video. Make sure to stay tuned to learn and develop progress with me.